Good morning, class. Welcome back to another week of remote learning. And so we're going to go ahead and get started this week and do our calendar time. So I hope everybody had a very restful, fun Easter weekend, and you got to spend time with your family, and you got to eat some candy and eat a big meal. That's what we did yesterday. So we're going to get right back to learning this week. And let's start off by remembering what our month of the year is. Remember, our month of the year is no longer March. It is April. If you said April, you are correct. Let's spell April. How do we spell April? A-P-R-I-L. Good job. Let's do that one more time. A-P-R-I-L. All right. Okay, so now you're going to pause and you're going to watch Jack Hartman's Months of the Year video and your April video. Parents, I will go ahead and put the links to the songs in every Monday so that you have them for the week. So I'll go ahead and put those in with this calendar video today. All right, guys, so now that you've watched your months of the year and your April song, let's go ahead and talk about our date. What date is it? All right, so we are going to count all of these numbers, and let's see if we can figure out, because we have Good Friday and we had Easter, but the numbers are missing. So let's see if we can figure out what numbers go there. All right, let's start with number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 goes there, right? Then 11, 12, right? Easter was the 12th. So if Easter was number 12, what is today's date? So let's start. We're going to start one more time all over, and we're just going to count straight through, and we're going to figure out what today's date is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. All right, so let's look in our bag and let's find number 13. There's lots of numbers in this bag. Let's see if I can find number 13. All right, I have a couple numbers here so we can figure out which one is which. So let me do this one first. See this one? We have this number and we have this number. So tell me, which one is number 13? Is it this one or is it this one? Which one? It is this one, number 13. Good job. All right, so we're going to go ahead and put up 13 right there. And now we are going to do our days of the week. Real quick, notice what our season is. It's not going to change for a while because we just changed it. Remember, we were in winter, but now we're in the season of spring. So that's going to stay there for quite some time. All right, so let's talk about the days of the week. Now, I gave you some clues already. I had said that it is a start to a new school week, and that yesterday was the weekend. So, let's see. Based on the clues that I've given you, what do you think today is? Do you think today is Sunday or Monday? Which do you think? It is Monday. Great Great job. All right, so we're going to put that right here where it says today is. Today is Monday. Okay, so let's talk about yesterday. Yesterday, today is Monday. Was yesterday Tuesday or Sunday? What do you think? It was Sunday. Awesome. Yesterday was Sunday. All right, so let's figure out tomorrow. If yesterday was Sunday and today is Monday, then tomorrow has to be, which one? Tuesday. Good job. This is Wednesday. It is not going to be Wednesday tomorrow. It is going to be Tuesday. All right, so we have our days of the week up. Yesterday was Sunday. Today is Monday. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. All right, so guys, go ahead and pause and go watch your days of the week video in English and Spanish, and then come right on back for the weather. So we are going to do the weather next. Switch it over here a little bit so you can see better. All right, got a weather station going. Hung up my poster. If you can see it in the corner, it says Mrs. Peffer misses you, and it has all your names on it because I miss you guys so much. All right, so let's talk about our weather today. It is going to be 83 degrees today. 83. So let's look at our thermometer. We forgot to do that a couple times. Down here is cool. Here in the middle is warm. And up here is hot. So 83. Let's look at our numbers. 70, 80, 90. That's all in the red. Up here, we are going to be what today? Hot. It is going to be hot today. 83 is kind of in the middle between 80 and 90. So we are all the way up on hot. So let's do our weather forecast for today and for tomorrow. Let Miss Pepper check real quick on the Weather Channel what the temperature is going to be. All right, so I looked, and on both days, there was just a picture of the sun, just the sun. So what do you think our weather will be for both days? Do you think it will be sunny or partly cloudy? Remember, I said it's the picture with just the sun. So which one has just the sun? Right, this one, sunny. It's going to be beautiful and sunny both days. So we're going to put that right in the middle because it's going to share today and tomorrow. All right, and our temperature is actually going to be the same for both days because 83 and 81, if you look up here, 83 and 81 are still up in the red. It's still going to be what? It's not going to be cool anymore. It's not going to be cool. It's going to be hot. So which one of these pictures is hot? This one or this one? Which one? You're right. If you said the one with the red thermometer and the sun and the guy with the shades on, that is going to be hot. So we're going to stick that here, and it's going to be the same for both today and tomorrow. Hot and sunny today, hot and sunny tomorrow. All right, so let's pay attention to our Grab the Weather guy, because when we left on Friday, it was kind of cool. It was a cooler day. It was in the upper 60s, I think. And so we had decided to put on a sweatshirt and some pants and his baseball hat. But we need some new clothes for Brad the Weather Guy today. because 83 degrees is hot. So we're gonna need some hot weather clothes. So let's take off the Brad the Weather Guy's clothes, and we will go ahead and pick him some new ones. All right, so let's start with the bottoms. We had pants on our Brad the Weather Guy, but it's going to be hot today. So what do you think we should put on our Brad the Weather Guy? Do you think we should put these shorts on him, or do you think we should leave the pants on? What do you think when it's 83 degrees and hot and sunny? Yep, we are going to change our Brad the Weather Guy. He is going to wear some shorts today. And let's see about his shirt. A sweatshirt. It's kind of thick. It's kind of warm. It has long sleeves. It's meant to keep you warm, but it's already going to be warm out today. So what do you think we ought to wear on Brad the Weather Guy today? Should we leave him in the sweatshirt when it's 83? Or should we put a t-shirt on him so he's cooler? What do you think? Yep, we are going to change our Brad the Weather Guy completely today, and we're going to put him in shorts and a t-shirt. And we have one more thing to put on our Brad the Weather Guy. It is sunny. It is sunny outside. It's going to be sunny today. It's going to be sunny tomorrow. So we get to put an extra thing on our Brad the Weather Guy. I'm going to put something over his eyes that's going to help shield him from the sun. Do you remember what we call those? Sunglasses, right. We are going to put a pair of sunglasses on our Brad the Weather Guy. Oh, he looks so cool. Look at him in his baseball hat and his sunglasses, keeping the sun out of his eyes and off of his head. We're going to put him in shorts and a t-shirt and some sneakers so that he's cooler and comfortable in that hot, hot weather today. All right, so the last thing we're going to do is we're going to review everything. We're going to say our date, talk about our weather, and then you can go and watch your seasons of the year, your weather video, and your See It, Say It, Sign It alphabet song. This is the month of April. So today is Monday, April 13th, 2020. We are in the season of spring. And yesterday was Sunday. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. Our weather is 83 degrees, which is hot. So it is going to be hot and sunny today. It is going to be 81 degrees, which is hot and sunny tomorrow. And Brad the Weather Guy is all dressed for the weather. So we can take some cues from Brad the Weather Guy, right? And we can maybe wear shorts and t-shirts today because it's going to be pretty hot outside. So I hope you guys get out, enjoy the sunshine, and I will see you again tomorrow morning. Goodbye.